In this video, I'll cover the solution for question 4 and question 10 on homework 17. Now this is to do with linear equations, and we have a table of results here connecting x and y. Now the first step I suggested was to look at these variable values here, and we can see they go up in ones. So it's quite easy to actually use this method. And the method involves a couple of steps. The first step is to look at the common difference between these values here. And we can clearly see that we are subtracting 5 each time. So the first part of the rule is that y equals negative 5x. Now the next part of the rule is to see what we have to add or subtract on the end, what constant will be here. And for that we need to go to the 0 term. Now we don't have a 0x term here, but we can certainly put one in. And if we consider this 0 term here, well, because we are subtracting 5, if I was to go this way, I'd be adding 5. So to go from here to here, I would need to add 5. So clearly here we'd have an 8 there. So the rule is y equals minus 5x plus 8. Okay, now let's have a look at question 10 on homework 17. The first part of the rule says we need to look at these values here and see if they go up in ones or down in ones, which in this case they go up in intervals of 2. So we need to bear that in mind. We then look at the common difference between this row of values here. And we can see that the difference, well, we're actually subtracting 20 each time. And that pattern does continue right throughout the results. Now, because it subtracts going down in 20, but we have a difference of 2, we need to divide these results by 2. And when we do that, we get negative 10. So the first part of the rule is that m equals negative 10a. And then we go to the 0 term, and the 0 term is 5. So negative 10a plus 5.